Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Hikmah and ID number 20400123098. Okay, today I would like to share my answer the concept of psycholinguistics as a language study. Number one, in my opinion, yes, there is a strong relationship. The book explains that human beings can communicate using language. Communicate using language because they have two kinds. Of knowledge. The first tacit knowledge and the second explicit knowledge. So tacit knowledge is the ability to use language in daily activities such as speaking, listening, reading, and writing. And explicit knowledge is the understanding of how those processes actually happen in the mind, in the brain. This shows that language is directly connected to the human mind because every time we use language, there is both the action and the mental process behind it. Okay, number two, in this book also cites online definitions. From that perspective, psycholinguistics is described as the study of the connection between language and psychology. It focuses on how humans perceive, produce, and acquire language. Online explanations are usually more general, but they agree that psycholinguistics deals with the relationships between and the mind. Okay. Number three. After reading the book, experts explain psycholinguistics in a deeper and more detailed way. For example, Carroll 2008 says that human can use language because they have tacit knowledge, which allows them to speak, listen, read, and write. And explicit knowledge, which explains the mental process behind these actions. Okay. Then Leonardi and Kelso 2008 explain that psycholinguistics covers three main areas. Language production, language perception, and language acquisition. Furthermore, Day 2021 describes language production, formulation, and production as a series of process in producing utterance and level 1989. Yeah. Divides language projection into three stage. Um, Conceptualization, formulation, and articulation. From this experience, I understand that psycholinguistics is not only about how the human mind works when using language. I sup- you- when using language. Number four, I super the expert's view. The online perspective only gives a general understanding, while express expanded more scientifically and in detail. For example, level shows how to the mind works step by step in language projection, and Chomsky points out that linguistic competence is needed in each stage. Okay, this explanation makes psycholinguistics clearer and more useful in understanding the link between language and the human mind. Number five, I found that learning psycholinguistics has many advantages for language teaching and learning. First, it helps teachers and learners to understand the mental process that happen when we use language, such as tacit knowledge and explicit knowledge. Second, it expands the three main areas of language: projection, perception, and acquisition. and acquisition, which are very useful in teaching because they show how students create, receive, and learn a language. Third, psycholinguistics also highlights the importance of language competence, including semantics, syntax, and phonology. Which are basic elements in language learning. So from what I read, the advantage of learning process more effective because teachers can understand their students' minds better, and students can be more aware of how brain works in learning a new language. Okay, maybe enough. Maybe enough for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.